Oh my god, y'all. Look at this. Ooh. Hey, welcome to Meat Eater to Vegan, the #1 place for beginner vegans or those just trying to see what it's all about and thinking about transitioning to vegan or plant-based. And if this is not enough on YouTube, for more information, support, and recipes, please join my Facebook group, Meat Eater to Vegan. Now let's get back to the recipe. Today we are going to be making a vegan sausage gravy, and I'm using this. And it's the Lightlife Gimme Lean plant-based ground, and this has 8 grams of protein. So I'm going to turn my fire on, and I'm just going to put the rest of my olive oil. Look, y'all, my olive. I'm put the rest of my olive oil in the pan. And if you have a good skillet or non-stick skillet or pan or pot, then you won't need to put any oil. Also, a lot of the vegan meats, some of them make their own oil, so you might not need to put any. But the last time I tried this was the same plant-based ground sausage that I had used in my casserole, the vegan sausage egg casserole. So if you have not seen that, it's in my playlist, and I'll link it at the card or down below in the description section. So this has probably been cooking for about 15 minutes now. So I just got a little bit of a sear on there. And as it cooked, I just chopped it up in smaller pieces. So I just did this with my spoon to chop it up. And I did add a little more pepper and a little dab of salt to it. You got to think that, remember that this is going to eventually become a gravy. So you want to season it up. Over season it if you can. And then now I'm going to be adding chickpea flour. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm going to be adding this chickpea flour to it, and this is just giving some extra protein added into your breakfast, as well as it's going to become our thickening agent. You can use regular flour if you want, but I'm going to use chickpea flour. And that's about, let's see, about a half of a cup of chickpea flour. The thing is, if I was using regular flour, I wouldn't use this much. I would use probably, for this much, I would use maybe like 1/4 of a cup for regular flour. All of it, all of my sausages, my vegan sausages were coated in the chickpea flour. So I just tossed it around. Don't fill out. Get on back in there. So I just tossed it around so it got all coated. And I'm going to make a video about making my own oat milk. So if you guys would like to see that or more recipes like this one, please hit that subscription and that notification bell so you don't miss when I upload videos. For this month, well, Monday through Friday. So Monday through Friday, I will be uploading videos for the whole entire month of December to get you guys all ready for Christmas. For Christmas, I always do a huge breakfast in the morning. So that's why I decided to do breakfast Monday through Friday videos. So you guys maybe can also know how to do a vegan breakfast as well. So I'm just going to keep on cooking this. I'm going to bring it up to a boil. As it's coming up to a boil, it will thicken. Oh my God, y'all. Look at this. So what I'm using the knife for, we about to dig into this. So I just used some biscuits, cooked up some biscuits, just regular. I didn't make them homemade or anything. I actually used the Pillsbury Grounds Original. These are actually accidentally vegan. So accidentally vegan just means that they are not a vegan company. They are not intended to be a vegan company, but just so happen none of the ingredients in this product are animal products. So, I mean, it may vary from state to state or from country to country. But from here, where I am in Indiana, these, you got to make sure that they're original, and you got to make sure that they're Southern home style or home style. The buttermilk or not, the layers or not, even if it says original, the layers biscuits are not. And I also use an app called Is It Vegan? So I know at the beginning it's kind of hard to, know what all of these different products and ingredients are. But I use a app called Is It Vegan with a question mark, and it'll tell you if it's vegan or vegetarian. This one says that it used to be vegetarian because the old ingredients, they actually used to have whey, W-H-E-Y, included in this in the ingredients for their old labels. Whey is milk, is a part of milk, but they actually reformulated their ingredients and they took out the whey. So now it is accidentally vegan. So if you guys see, it says it contains wheat. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not focusing. It says it contains wheat, and then it says it may contain milk ingredients, which it doesn't. May contain is just for legal purposes. So since they are not a vegan company, since they do make other products that do have milk in them or eggs and things like that, they have to put may contain just for cross-contamination purposes. So it's just all for the legal purposes. So let's get into this. Let's take a bite and see. So, yes. Yeah. Try this recipe. This is a must try. This is like the household favorite. Please try this recipe. I think out of all the things I posted, because I really like my vegan French toast. So if you haven't seen that, definitely go back and check out that video. But these is good. Thanks for tuning into my channel. I definitely will see you next time. I'm going to finish my plate. And yeah, I'm going to finish all my plate. That's my business. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below if you a biscuits and gravy girl or guy. And also what kind of videos you would like to see me posted. And I will see you next time. Bye.